Welcome back, everybody. We had a fun day up at Kootenai Falls, and we're back here in the Eureka area at our cabin. And I'm thinking, what could be more Montanan than steaks? So we grabbed some gigantic bone-in ribeyes, and we're gonna make a good old-fashioned Montana ribeye dinner. Griller's garlic bread from Seattle International Baking Company. I have this in the foil pack, and we're gonna put it straight down here on the griddle top to get it to start cooking. I have some big, delicious looking asparagus here. I always like to cut the bottom few inches of these stalks completely off, and that's gonna be the most tender part that we'll cook. Extra virgin olive oil down on the griddle top, and we'll lay those asparagus spears straight down there in the oil. Of course, with Montana's alpine touch, just some delicious salt. There's some garlic, pepper, and other flavors in there. Oh, the asparagus are looking so good here. I'm gonna put a little more oil down. The asparagus are cooking super quick. I'm gonna go down here and turn that burner off, and we're gonna take these and stack them up over here in the corner along with my garlic bread. Check out these gigantic bone-in ribeyes. These things are monsters. We're gonna go down with a little bit of that same extra virgin olive oil. And of course, a little more of that alpine touch. Can't get enough of this stuff, and since it is the official spice of Montana, they even have a garlic pepper grinder. So you know I gotta get some cracked black pepper and chunks of salt on there. Now I have turned up to high, and we are gonna go seasoning side down, right there. Oh yeah, right on top of the burner. And gonna grab my cast iron skillet over here, which happens to have a little bit of butter in it. Put that down there, and you know I'm a big fan of the garlic paste. New brand today. This store had the organic version. In the past I've tried it, maybe not as good, we'll find out. But here we go, the organic garlic paste mixed in with the butter there. Let's go in for the flip. These are monster thick steaks. It's been probably 5 minutes or so. These steaks are looking good. I'm gonna pull them off and let them rest for a few minutes so we can check them out. I wanna make sure I don't overcook them here. They're looking good. There's a lot of trial and error with steaks, folks.
Go. 130.
130. 130.
130.
So
that should be good.
That should be good at 130. There's some trial and error. Sometimes, like when I'm doing demos, I'll pull them off and we'll slice them apart and end up going into a sliced family style steak. So these are around 130. We're gonna see what happens. Alrighty, I cut the bone off of this one over here. We'll slice in and see where we're at here. So that's pretty good, right? We'll give a little preliminary try on camera.
That's good. That's good.
That one has pretty good.
It's a hot pink.
All right, let's plate one of these up here. By the way, we might need a larger plate. That looks pretty darn good. I noticed those steaks are just about perfect and ready. So sometimes I'd pour this butter on top of the steak while it's still on the griddle, but today we're gonna put it on right like this. And with minimal mistakes that you didn't see on camera that we all had, I think it looks pretty darn good. So let's go over here for a look at that. Now, if I was served that at a steakhouse, I'd be pretty darn excited. So I'm thinking we got an epic feast at hand here. And two bites of the asparagus. Cooked perfectly. So, you got a bunch more cooking here. Have to feed the rest of the family. That's probably the way I like mine, medium. Some people like it medium rare. Some people like them rare, but I'm probably more of a medium person. But look at that beautiful sear on the outside there. Oh my goodness, friends. So whether you're making bone-in ribeyes, regular ribeyes, New York strip steak, Kansas City strips, my favorite probably, filet mignon, sirloins, whatever. Do it on the Blackstone Griddle. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite steaks are to make on the Blackstone Griddle. One more, look at these, by the way. I mean, come on. Again, I can't take credit for this. This is high heat and good meat, and look what happened here. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass this, the delicious Montana ribeyes with garlic bread and asparagus, or you could have had broccoli on there, maybe an ear of corn on the side, whatever you want. See you next time.